Hello everyone, so today we are back with another informative video, and this time we will let you know what is the minimum budget needed for Google Ads. So now the answer to this question depends on the type of niche that you have and the location and the competition for that specific niche. So let us take a few examples of various niche. So for example, when we are trying to running the ads for any dentist, the cost per click for the dentist keyword that we can say for the services like dental implants, or we have veneers, or we have Invisalign, the cost per click for any specific city, for example the city of Houston, Texas, the cost per click seems to be ranges between $5 to $10, and then that is for the search campaign only. But for some of the other campaigns, that is the call only campaign, the cost per click for these kind of keywords will be double or triple to what we are paying on the search campaign. Based on the location and the competition you have, we should be able to see the conversion rate of around 10%. So what we have seen is that the monthly budget of around $1,000 to $1,500 for a dentist is good enough to get started. That is the minimum budget required for these kind of clients. The minimum budget is so that you can get some leads or get some quality leads from the campaign, because when we spend too little, for example we are spending around $200 or $300 per month, we don't get that many leads, so that will not benefit to run the campaign. We should be able to have a minimum of $1,000 to $1,500 budget. Within that you should see a 10% conversion rate, and the cost per lead should be below 50 or 75 in most of the cases. But if the competition is too high, you should expect a cost per conversion of 100 or so. So now we can take some other examples. For example, we are taking the example of a real estate business. So now for a real estate business, we have two type of websites. One is for the sellers, one is for the buyers. For the sellers, then that is who have a listed home on their website, and then they are giving the pricing of those homes. The cost per click ranges between $1 to $2 for the Phoenix area in Arizona. For that kind of client, the budget of around $750 to $1,000 should be good enough to get started. What we have seen is that in most of the cases, that is around 80% to 90% of the cases, the conversion rate for these kind of websites stand at near 10%, and the monthly budget needed that will be around $750 to $1,000. The cost per conversion for these kind of websites seems to be at $20 per conversion. So now let's take some more example for like the lawyers who want to run their ads. This is now a very competitive field. What we have seen is for the lawyers, the cost per click ranges between $35 to $50 for the personal injury lawyer theme of keywords. For that kind of budget, the budget of around $3,500 to $5,000 should be good enough to get started. But in some cases, we have seen the cost per click ranges between $500 to $600. Then with the conversion rate of 10%, what we have seen is our client was paying around $25,000 per month. That is in terms of the Google Ads spend only. The conversion rate for those kind of campaign usually ranges between 15 to 25%. That is only based on the quality of leads that we are getting. So now you can see that the minimum budget required is dependent on the location and the type of competitions we have. So now in terms of the fees for these kind of niches, what we normally charge is for any dentist that has a budget of around $1,000 to $1,500. The monthly fees for these kind of client ranges between $300 to $350. The reason to this is, suppose that we are giving the ads for a dentist. So now a dentist can be giving 4 to 5 services. For example, for the dental implant, we have for the Invisalign, veneers, teeth whitening, and so on. So you can understand the fact that we need to repeat the same process 5 times. That way the fees will go up. And then for some other type of niches, for example, for the real estate one, considering the budget of 750 to 1000, the monthly management fee will be around like we can say 250 to 300 at the maximum. That is for the first month. Once the campaign been able to gain some pace, then we can look at reducing the management fee as well. Third thing is, so for example, when we are talking about the higher budget clients, for example, a client is spending around $3,500 to $5,000 for a lawyer, then that does not mean that the fees will be 5 times. The fees will only be charged on the basis of amount of work needed rather than for the budget or for the budget that we are putting into Google AdWords. So in those cases, the fees normally ranges between $600 to $650. So now, if you have any PPC campaigns running and you are just not getting the leads and spending the money, you can contact us for the free audit. There is a WhatsApp number on top right corner. You can contact us through the website as well. We will be giving you the free audit. In the audit, we will let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. Also, if you do not have any ads running and you are just not sure how much budget that you should keep, you can just contact us through WhatsApp. Just give us the website URL and the location targeting. We will do the research. We will let you know what is the minimum budget needed, and then you can just let us know what exactly that you can pay for the Google Ads. When the Google Ads account is not set up in the past, then we can also give you $500 free coupon code, being a Google certified partner. That way we will be sending you the plan of action on how you can take your business to the next level.